Hi, the new Hellpack 5.0 emergency kit is now available. I'm sure you're curious about what changes have been made compared to the previous edition. So let's do a full unboxing. Alright then, let's start the unboxing. Hellback comes well protected in a thick cardboard box. Here we also have a protective circuit board. We open the case with these plastic latches. And after opening, we see the entire kit and the guides. The comprehensive guides are readily available in Polish, English, and German languages. Additionally, there's also a welcoming and informative card included. Here we can clearly see that our entire kit was carefully packed by the diligent Grzegorz Spriziewicz. We can scan the QR code and go directly to our website. So let's take out our kit. A lot of people, when taking out the kit, instinctively grab the wrap chimney and the buckle. Here is the rolled up backpack chimney, which I'll talk about in a moment. Then here is the buckle that seals it tightly, closes it. This solution is new compared to the previous model. The handle for pulling out and carrying the Hellbag is located here. It's a strong, comfortable, rubberized handle designed exactly for this purpose. We can label the Hellbag box and use it as an additional home emergency box. This is what the Hellback 5.0 looks like. Next, we have 3 external modules and 5 internal modules. The first change that stands out is the redesigned first aid module, which is now a bit larger. It's also designed so that you can easily swap it with the escape and weather modules. You can, as you see, move the modules, for example, to the sides. We can move this module. Thanks. Here you can easily and conveniently swap them around and meticulously configure absolutely everything precisely however you truly like and prefer. If we move the modules to the sides, the front of the backpack is revealed. Compared to previous models, there is no longer the full Hellback inscription here. Only our symbol remains, the logo, our signature mark, a pulse in black on black material. What you've probably noticed is the new material from which the Hellback 5.0 is made. It has replaced the Cordura used in previous models. This material is significantly better. It's called Titan Shield. It's a bit stiffer and completely waterproof. A distinctive feature is its resistance to high temperatures, which increases our safety, for example, during evacuation from a burning building. Let's see what has changed at the back. The chest strap is still equipped with an emergency whistle in a visible orange color. The Hellback logo is displayed on a metal plate made of satin-finished aluminum. A sturdy rubber handle for carrying the entire set. We've improved the carrying system both visually and functionally. A new, nicer material with thicker and slightly wider padding. We've also redesigned the hip belt. We listened to your suggestions. It's lightweight, has soft padding, and a sturdy buckle. All these improvements really make carrying the set much more comfortable. It was good before, but now it's simply better. The collar and the way it closes have been completely changed. That's also a result of your suggestions. It's rolled up and fastened with a buckle like the weather buggy, but look how much extra space you have available. Take a look at how it looks horizontally. 45 centimeters gives us an extra 22 liters to pack water reserves, food, clothes, an extra sleeping bag, and so on. No worries. Thanks to this, the set is enough even for 2 people. Alright, now let's discuss the modules and their equipment. We'll also talk about what has changed compared to the previous model. We'll go through each individual element. Let's start with first aid. Quick release. Let's see what's inside. Inside, we have a basic first aid kit equipped with bandages, a thermal blanket, and scissors. Dressing materials. It's worth adding any medications you take daily. We have reflective harnesses, which are much more versatile, lighter, and more compact than a traditional vest. Additionally, a completely waterproof notebook, accompanied by an extremely efficient and reliable pencil. Let's open the escape module. A truly compact and highly multifunctional device equipped with a reliable seatbelt cutter. Here we have a hammer for breaking windows, a truly practical and highly versatile carabiner, a clear and easily readable battery charge indicator, a durable and lightweight magnesium body, and two essential bits, a robust Phillips head and a versatile flathead, are all included. This device is also equipped with a flashlight featuring several lighting modes: bright, slightly dimmed, cold light, warm light, also dimmed, as well as red light and an emergency light. Leather gloves, very comfortable, provide excellent protection for our hands when we want to move something sharp or hot, for example, when we're evacuating from a burning building. A new, specially designed tactical knife with a very comfortable ergonomic synthetic handle, a truly solid piece of high-quality steel, and here we also have a durable sheath that can be securely attached to a belt for easy carrying. Protective goggles that will effectively shield our precious eyes from any harmful smoke, a durable paracord survival bracelet, and there's also a small, reliable fire starter, a compact compass, and an additional, highly audible emergency whistle, a multifunctional headlamp, also rechargeable via USB-C with a built-in battery. Here we have a bright white light mode, a gentle light mode, an emergency mode. We have a vibrant red light, also pulsating rhythmically, and a protective mask with a high-quality KN95 filter. Weather module. In the weather module, you'll also find a very practical, multifunctional bandana. It can be worn in many different ways. It can be a scarf, a hat, a headband, or a balaclava. An excellent solution is the plasma lighter. It's practically an endless source of fire with a retractable tip. Here we have a battery charge indicator. If it runs out, we can recharge it using the power bank, or with our mini power generator, which is in the electronics module. We'll get to that in a moment. There's also an additional built-in flashlight here, a sleeping bag made of NRC foil. This is an emergency sleeping bag. If we had to spend the night in temperatures below 0 degrees and the sleeping bag included in the set wasn't enough, we can put this inside the sleeping bag to better retain our body heat, or put it over the sleeping bag. For example, to protect the sleeping bag from absorbing moisture from the outside. Chemical hand and foot warmers, very efficient, work for 8 to 12 hours. We can put them in our shoes or gloves. If, for example, we're waiting for transport or have to spend the night in very low temperatures, we can put them under our armpits to warm our bodies even more and protect ourselves from the cold. In addition, the set includes a really nice large poncho made of durable nylon material. I'll take it out and show you at least a little bit. It comes with a hood. Here we have drawstrings for tightening and compressing it. Okay, let's take a look inside. As I mentioned, there are 5 modules. The modules are sleep, food and weather, tools, electronics, and hygiene. Let's start with the hygiene module. Here we have a nice large towel. The towel is quick drying, and a complete hygiene kit. Here we have a small, convenient notepad where you can quickly make notes if you plan to add a few additional items of your own. Antibacterial gel, cosmetic petroleum jelly, a common product, dry tissues, a toothbrush preloaded with toothpaste, soft cotton swabs, several disposable masks, and 3 essential sanitary pads are all included. Soft, pre-moistened wet wipes, 3 individually wrapped absorbent tampons, a fragrant bar of cleansing soap, gentle cotton pads for various uses, comfortable earplugs for sound reduction, and a pair of disposable plastic gloves for hygienic purposes. The next module, electronics. Here you'll find one of the most important devices in the entire Hell bag. It's not just a radio, but also a mini power generator. It has reverse charging. If you connect a USB cable to it, by turning the crank, you can charge any electronic device included in the set, whether it's a headlamp, a lighter, or you can store power in a depleted power bank. The radio itself also has a built-in 5000 Donts Mayarch battery, is equipped with Bluetooth AM and FM radio signal, and it really sounds good. We also have a headphone jack and a really solid flashlight, a brand new power bank now in a sleek, sophisticated black with a convenient integrated digital display and thoughtfully built-in, highly practical charging cables. We have the widely used USB-A, the modern USB-C, the popular Lightning, and the classic micro USB. So we truly have a comprehensive and complete set of essential charging cables right here, meticulously covering all possible and common connectors. It's with this cable that we can charge all the peripheral devices included in the set. When we connect this innovative device to our compact mini power generator and gently turn the crank, we can efficiently charge virtually any electronic device, including those essential items not specifically included in the original set. A new phone with a mega durable battery operating on a 4G system. This means that if we're within Wi-Fi range, we have an alternative way to stay in touch. Through access to WhatsApp or Facebook, you can contact your family and inform them about your situation. 2 SIM card slots. The phone has been configured by the manufacturer. According to our specifications, the Hellbag logo also appears when you turn it on and off. As you can see, we also have internet applications here, such as WhatsApp and Facebook. If we intend to use the phone only in an emergency, after charging it, we should keep the battery removed in the pocket. Next to it, we also have a wall charger here, as well as SIM card adapters. In the smaller pocket, you'll also find headphones with a built-in microphone, for example, for discreetly listening to radio messages. The next module, Tools, is a toolkit, a kind of MacGyver set. Here you'll find a sewing kit, a flat repair tape. It's great that it's in this flat form because we can carry it conveniently, for example, in a pocket, a durable 10-meter paracord, and a high-quality, versatile multi-tool, which has as many as 9 components. What's truly great is that the various blades and essential tools are securely lockable. Here you'll find a button to release the lock, ensuring it doesn't accidentally close on our hands. Let's see what other components we have here. So, here's how it looks as a whole. Very comfortable universal work gloves. Very durable bungee cords, for example, for securing our load. Multifunctional cable ties. A razor-sharp wood saw. And a folding shovel. Be careful, because these edges are really sharp. The next module, formerly Cook and Food, now under the new name Food and Weather. 2 bottles of water, 3 high-calorie food rations, a stainless steel mug with a lid, cutlery, an additional very practical flat bottle, water purification tablets, and a very efficient, highly effective water filter, which is essential for any outdoor adventure. Hellbag Crystal Pro. This is an Alstron-type filter. Its capacity is 500 liters. Here we can easily attach a flexible rubber hose and then drink directly from the readily available water source. Or for example, we can carefully scoop water into our personal bottle, securely screw it on, and then efficiently filter the water directly into a clean container. The last module is the sleep module. It rolls up from the top just like the weather buggy. Here you'll find a very comfortable ergonomic pillow with a built-in pump, although you can also inflate it by mouth. In addition, there's a brand new multi-chamber sleeping mat. If we have to spend the night at an evacuation point, we are guaranteed full comfort for recovery. This mat weighs 500 grams. Its dimensions are 190 by 60 with a thickness of about 5 centimeters. And of course, as always, our mummy type sleeping bag with dimensions of 215 by 80 by 50. It weighs only 750 grams, but it's quite warm. Its comfort temperature is 15 degrees and the extreme is 0 degrees. But we know we're also protected by an additional NRC foil sleeping bag, so we're prepared for an emergency situation here. Completely protected. At the very bottom, you'll find a lightweight insulating mat for sitting. On cold or wet ground, it provides excellent insulation from the surface. You can sit anywhere and just relax. In the side pocket, you'll find a water bag, a waterproof sack, and a compression sack for your clothes. Here you'll also find 2 side pockets with zippers, a bright orange finish, and compression straps. Let's pack the Hellbag back up. This is what the new Hellbag 5.0 emergency kit looks like. Go to hellbag.eu and get it within 24 hours.
Hellbag. Be responsible.